Hi there, this is Chris from MoneyHub, and this video looks at cancelling your insurance policy. So people do this all the time, and the reason they do it is often they've found a much cheaper price and they've decided to make the move and notify their insurer. So what we've done is we've put together a section on this, which we can see here. And basically, the process is to get in touch with them and make sure that things align so that you're not insured for any period of time, even if it's for a 1 hour. That's a big no-no. So if I just go through, I think it's helpful just to see different insurers and what they say. So if we start with the AA insurance, and this is their policy here, you can see it. We're on page 19. But if we go back to there, we can see that it's very clear, and it says if you cancel your policy outside the cooling off period, which is a standard contract, 15 days or so, and you've not made a claim, then we will refund you any of the amount that we owe you after the cancellation date. So that means that if you've prepaid, say, $2,000 for the year, and you've now cancelled it after 6 months, they will refund you this $1,000. With regards to AMI, they're also very clear as well. It says you can cancel this policy anytime by notifying us. If you do, we'll refund the unused part less an administration charge. Now, they haven't specified what that is, but usually it's going to be around $50 maximum. So that's something to just be aware of there. And then with regards to state, they have said, this is in their policy, I'll just go to the top of it, we're on page 11, that if I go back to that, now having said that, yes, there it is. It says you can cancel this policy anytime by notifying us, and we'll refund any of the premium due based on the unused portion of the period of cover. So that is all fine. And then Tower have made it even clearer at the top. And they've said that you can cancel it and we'll refund the unused portion. Now, that is all very well, and that's really good to get an understanding of. That's going to be the same for your insurance, whoever it is. That just seems to be the New Zealand standard, which is very helpful just because you've prepaid for the year and gotten a discount there and then cancelled it after 6 months. It won't mean that you'll pay the monthly pricing and have a bit of an anti-rebate or a bit of a penalty there. You will get back half of what you paid should you be cancelling exactly 6 months, and the rest of it's just prorated. So you can cancel after 1 month, you can cancel after 11 months. I'm just using 6 months as an example there. And then with regards to the process for contacting your new insurer, so of course you have to choose one, and then once you've cancelled it, and then just document the process on both sides. So document that you've cancelled it and you've given notice, and then also the fact that you've taken on a new policy. Make sure you've got the documents there and it's for the right date. So that is the process. And just as a background, you want to make sure that you avoid any coverage gaps. Check the refunds because they will come in. Sometimes there's going to be a processing day of a few days, sometimes a few weeks, and then just review your documents as well. But that's the process, and just get familiar with the fine print with regards to cancellation, and definitely have the confidence to be able to proceed knowing that you are due your money back. It is not a prepaid benefit that you don't get back if you do need to switch. Now, if you do have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. We're highly responsive to those. We'd love to hear them. And thank you very much for watching the video. And we look forward to improving our resources and bringing out more things around house insurance.